Hello and welcome. Let's have a look at 3 different ways to conduct descriptive stats using SPSS today. Open your data file in SPSS. Go to Analyze. Descriptive Statistics. Choose Descriptives. Move suitable data into Variables box. Click Option. The default choices are suitable. Click Continue. Then OK. You can see the key descriptive statistics. You can also click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics. Choose Frequencies. This gives you more information about the distribution of the data. Move data into Variables box. Click Statistics. Choose the ones you'd like to examine. Click Continue. You can add histograms under the Charts button. Then click OK. You can see the output with descriptive stats as well as frequency table and histograms. Lastly, try Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, then Explore. It is helpful to gain initial insights of our data. Move DV to Dependent List. Move Group Variable to Factor List. Choose Relevant Information. The output provides more information for each group. You don't have to choose the group variable. It'll just all data as one group. Thanks and please subscribe.